Once, in a quiet village surrounded by mountains and whispering trees, lived a young man named Ian. He was known for one thing: giving up too easily. Whenever life became even slightly difficult, Ian would sigh and say, "What's the point? My effort doesn't matter anyway." He dreamed of changing his life, but every dream faded the moment struggle appeared. One morning, after another failure in his small shop, Ian went to visit the village monk, a wise old man who always seemed calm, no matter the season. "Master," Ian said, his voice heavy, "I've tried so many times to improve my life, but nothing ever works. I'm tired of failing." The monk smiled gently, then pointed to a tall bamboo plant beside his hut. "Do you see this bamboo?" he asked. "Yes," Ian replied. "When I first planted its seed, for the first 4 years, nothing grew above the ground. I watered it every single day without seeing a single leaf. Do you know why I kept watering?" Ian shook his head. "Because I trusted the process," the monk continued. During those 4 years, the bamboo was growing its roots deep into the soil, preparing for the moment it could rise. And when it finally broke the surface, it grew over 80 feet in just 1 year. The monk looked at Ian and said softly, "Your life is like that bamboo. Every small effort you make, even when you can't see results, is preparing your foundation." Ian frowned, "But I get impatient. I want to see progress." The monk chuckled. "That's the problem with most people. They want change, but they avoid the process. They want the fruit, but neglect to water the roots." Then he handed Ian a small clay pot and a tiny seed. "Plant this," he said. "Water it every day, no matter what happens. Don't ask when it will grow. Just take care of it." At first, Ian found the task meaningless. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, still nothing. But slowly, something inside him began to shift. The daily act of watering taught him patience. The silence of waiting taught him discipline. And one morning, when he saw the first small green sprout, he smiled for the first time in months. That single sprout changed him. He returned to his shop, started small cleaning, organizing, greeting every customer with genuine warmth. He didn't chase big results anymore. He focused on small steps. Day by day, things improved, customers returned, his reputation grew, and so did his confidence. Months later, Ian visited the monk again. The monk looked at him and smiled. "How's your seed doing?" "It's growing," Ian said with joy. "But more importantly, so am I." The monk nodded. "Now you understand the secret. Big changes are not made in giant leaps, they are built in small, patient steps. The bamboo never rushes to grow, yet it reaches the sky." Ian bowed deeply and whispered, "I used to think happiness was about reaching a goal, but now I see it's about growing a little every day." The monk smiled, watching the young man walk away with renewed hope. The mountains seemed taller that morning, not because they had grown, but because Ian had.